between a flowing mountain by the south belt by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo squall. We're riding through to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball. Our eastern states are dandy, so the people always say. From New York to St. Louis and Chicago, by the way. From the hills of Minnesota where the rippling waters fall, no changes can be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. Well, listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo squall. We're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball. Texas, she's long and she's tall. She's the combination of the Wabash Cannonball. Will you listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo squall. We're traveling through to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball. Well, here's to Daddy Claxton, may his name forever stand, and always be remembered throughout this great land. His earthly race is over, and we'll bear him to a draw, and we'll carry him up to heaven on the Wabash Cannonball. Well, listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine.